So this one is HW12 the response. This one is HW12 the PHP, and after the user fill the field and press the OK, everything will be collected into a backpack called GET backpack. And that's fine. What is the main field that will be sent to next one? We find a name, gender, we find a name, CNAME, we find a name, star sign, 1, 2, 3, and age. So we have a 4 field will be sent to next one, and we can generate an array. The first drawer is CNAME, next one is gender, next one is star sign, and finally we have an age. The value for each one will be ANN. If I choose a gender with female, the value will be saved as 1. The star sign, if I choose a 0, this one will be saved with 0. And this one is category, so if I choose this one, the value will be sent 1. And all things will be sent out. But right now, I don't assign where you go, so I can assign action. ACTION, action. You go to the HW12 response.php. So all things will be sent to HW12 response.php for further process. Okay, so I need to write a program, $PHP, and to get the parameter from the sky, because all things will be sent to the URL and all the value will be sent in here. So I need to open the GET backpack and open the first drawer, the CNAME. So I use a variable CNAME to catch it and save all the things. And next one is gender, GENDER, also use a gender to catch it. So everything will be catch from sky. And if you want to show up the things out, you can echo this one, your name, NAME is star sign, CNAME. Okay, so this one is your name, and gender, and star sign, and age. So let's go back to generate a new response. And I want to write a program, PHP, and save the file first. File, save as to HW12 response.php. The type is old type, and save it. And the first field I catch is CNAME. NAME is equals to $GT single quotation CNAME from the sky. Okay, and next one is gender, GENDER. Next one is star sign, a star sign. And last one is HE. So set to the variable star sign age. So you can show out the information that you get. Echo your name is CNAME, and use a dot to concatenate the string and the variable. And next one is your gender is gender. Your star sign is this one. Your age is this one. And use a BR to shift to next row. Okay, so very quickly to finish it all once again. Don't forget to assign a action. And I want go to HW12 response.php. So when I assign an action, then all things will be sent to here. Otherwise, send back to myself. So go here, delete all parameter and press enter and refresh once again. That is very important because it will refresh all status. And this one I press ANN female, choose first one, and this is a test and press OK. So I can get the value from Sky because ANN 100 and this one is a message. So I can get the whole things in here, right? So what is next? Because this one is very easy for you because in the midterm I have already tested you. So I will quickly go to next stage. What is next? Next, I want to save all the data into a database. I want to save all data into database. So go back here. We have a catch the value that the customer appeared. So what is next? I want to save all things into a table. And let me go back to here to check what you get. The first step, I get a CNAME. I get a gender, age, star sign, and the message. This one should be changed to MSG. So every record is show up in here. So how to save all data into your table? I need to analyze what structure, S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E, what structure you need to build up for the table. And this one is for the member registration, right? So I need to generate a member table to save all things in member table. So for the first, this one is called attribute, attribute, attribute. The first attribute is CNAME. So what's your first attribute name? This one is CNAME. And what's type for this CNAME? Because a user can type anything in here. So the type for the CNAME should be, you have a several choice. The first one is a character, CHAR, varchar, INT, float, date, daytime. So which one is the correct type for CNAME? Which one? Which one is the correct CNAME? Monting. Which one is the correct type for CNAME? Varchar, okay, it's good. Varchar and char is also similar character, right? What's different between those two? If you set character with 100, then the memory will fix it to have a 100 space for this variable. But if you set up varchar 100, it will set a dynamic. So if you set up with ANN in here, he will actually to extract a 3 character for it, and other will be vertical. And until you extend it, the memory will extend it to have a physical space for it. So different from it. But if you see, you already know this one is fixed length, it's okay. So this one will set by character and the length. How long? How many character? Monty? Huh? 500? 500 or 100? 100, okay, it's good. 100. Can you need to set up a default value for it? No, I don't think so, yes. So can it be null? No, okay, so you don't need to check it. Can it be auto increment increase? No, yes, because this one is for number. You will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 directly by the system. So you don't need to control the value. So it's not automatically increase. So that's, and this is the next one, gender. So gender, Gender. So what's the type what's type for the gender? Character, varchar, int, float, date, datetime. Which one? Check the value. Check the value. int, very good. Because the gender, I have a transform to 1, 0, 2, 3, and so on, right? So this one can be set as a int. You don't need to set the female, male, because this one is character. And I only set up the value with 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one is int. And the length, how many number should be assigned to here? 50? 50? Actually, you only have a 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Because gender only have a female, male, and other only have a 3 character, right? So you only need to set 1 because 1 is from 0 to 9. One number can represent by 0 to 9. Okay, so actually you only need 1 int. So if you want to have a flexible, you can set up with 2 or 3. Okay, so do you need to give a default value for gender? Maybe you can set up a default value with female. Is it possible? Because sometimes user forget to fill the value, right? So you at least set up a default value for them, okay? So you can set up, oh, okay, if you don't fill anything, okay, I default set up you as a female. If your shopping store is for the woman, yeah. Okay, so can it be null? No, okay. Okay, so next one is edge, A-G-E, A-G-E. So what is the edge type? int. What's the type for the edge? int, good. And the length. Go back to check it, edge. 1 is good because I only have a 1, 2, 3, 3 different kind of a style, right? So 0, 1, 2. So only 1 is good. If you want to have a more flexible, maybe 2, okay? So set up a default value. Yes. Yes. So which number? To 50 to 70. So the value should be changed to 1, right? Okay, so this one is 1. Can it be null? Maybe it's, yeah, it can be null. Okay, good. So star sign. Star sign, S-I-G-N. So Bergen. Yep. So what's the type? int, good, because this one is 0, 1, 2, right? Okay, so the length. Star sign. Because we have a 12 star sign, right? So 12. 12. 1, 2. At least 2, right? This one is one number, this one is a second number. So at least you have a 2. So if you have a 100 different star sign, maybe it should be more, okay? So 2 or 3 is possible. Can it be set up a default value? Yeah, which one? 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 5. Okay, good. Can it be null? Yes, okay, good. Okay, so message. So who are in here? Zijun. So what's type for the message? Varchar? Char? Varchar? Okay, so the length? 100. 100 is enough because complain too much things. So message is still is good. Okay, so we need to generate the structure for the member. So I just wait here, and you need to screenshot this one. And let's take a 10 minutes break.